Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more app development insights. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Kodular. Kodular, a mobile app development platform review and user experience. Are you interested in creating mobile apps without the complexities of coding? Then you've come to the right place. Kodular is a versatile, drag-and-drop platform perfect for beginners and non-coders looking to develop Android apps. Inspired by MIT App Inventor, Kodular boasts a user-friendly interface supplemented with a wider range of tools and integrations, catering not only to students but also hobbyists and entrepreneurs. Kodular empowers users to prioritize functionality over coding expertise through its intuitive, blocks-based programming system. A key strength of Kodular lies in its extensive component library, providing access to features such as ad mob monetization, various payment gateways, and a robust suite of multimedia tools. Whether your goal is a simple educational app or a fully monetized mobile game, Kodular offers the necessary modules to bring your vision to life. Furthermore, Kodular supports Firebase integration for database management, location services for GPS-enabled apps, and highly customizable layouts to achieve a polished, professional aesthetic. Streamlining the development process is an integrated companion app for real-time testing, ensuring your app performs flawlessly on actual devices. A vibrant community and comprehensive documentation further enhance the user experience, providing valuable support and resources for users of all levels. From my experience, Kodular truly shines in its accessibility and the creative freedom it offers. However, it's worth noting that some monetization features and export options require a paid subscription. While Kodular primarily focuses on Android app development, native iOS export isn't currently supported, which might be a drawback for some developers. In conclusion, Kodular presents a powerful yet user-friendly solution for rapidly and efficiently creating Android apps. Whether you're just starting your app development journey or looking to prototype an idea, Kodular's versatility makes it a compelling option. Ready to begin building? Explore Kodular today by checking out the links provided in the description.